Welcome back. Walpoi MLA Viswajit Rane and more than 1,000 Sattari locals marched on local government hospital demanding immediate availability of KFT vaccines. Rane slammed government for not providing the vaccines while people from remote villages are getting affected from Casanur forest diseases, locally known as Makar Tap. The MLA along with people submitted a memorandum to the Walpoi Hospital Medical Office. Government has been given an ultimatum till March 20th to make available the KFT vaccines in the Walpoi Hospital.
इंजेक्शन घेऊन रानान वचू शकता. काजी बेंडपाचो टाइम हा, काजीचो टाइम आता सुरू जातलो. आम्ही लोकांक हारू शकना. आमकां कितें जाय? आमकां आमची पहिली हॉस्पिटल कशें चलताले वाळपय. आमकां मेडिसिनां आमकां जाय. 8 महिने तुमकां परत सांगता. तुम्ही फक्त धीर दवरचो. 8 महिन्यान सरकार बदलतलो. हे सरकारांनी परत हे 90 मारल्या मस्ती. गरीब कोण बरो ना जाता हॉस्पिटलान एडमिट जाल्यार ह्या हॉस्पिटलान कांयच गावना फेसिलिटी. आमकां इंजेक्शनां जाय. आमकां सोय सुविधा हॉस्पिटलान सारखे जाल्ले जाय. सरकारान आश्वासन आरोग्य मंत्रीन दिल्ले असेंब्लीच्या फ्लोरार की ताबडतोब आम्ही इंजेक्शनां उपलब्ध करून लोकांक आम्ही दितले. पण आयज पर्यंत हांव डॉक्टर कडेन उलयता. डॉक्टर म्हणटा आपण जाय ती पत्रां आम्ही आमच्या आरोग्य क्षेत्रात धाडल्या, डिपार्टमेंटात धाडल्या, पण आयज पर्यंत काय कारवाई जावंक ना. आमची मागणी आहे की ताबडतोब आरोग्य मंत्री आणि मुख्यमंत्री इंजेक्शनां उपलब्ध करून जाय. बीजेपी सरकार इनसेन्सिटिव्ह जाल्ले आसा आणि ह्या बीजेपी सरकाराक लाथ मारून सरकारान फुडले इलेक्शन लोकांनी भायर मारून दिवंक जाय आणि ह्याच आमचो एक अपेक्षा आसा. गिविंग अल्टिमेटम टू द गव्हर्नमेंट, not to you. Police is there, everybody is there, press is there. I am only come to give you a letter addressed to you and to the health department that we are giving a deadline to the government of 15 days before which injection should be made available. Otherwise, we will again come to the streets.
Bhumi Pujan for Defence Expo was held amid slogans and opponents and heavy police force on Monday. BJP in its Margao presser reiterated that there will be no aero show. It's only a defence expo. Damunai claims few politicians are misguiding people, while Orishpur Jetso Awas cleared that Fatarpa Panchayat or Kitol Comunidad had nothing to do with the event as it falls under Nakeri Betul Panchayat. GCCI President Nana Bandekar says Defence Expo can be a regular event in Goa but not at the same venue.
There is no any law and order as such at the site, and now everything is moving peacefully.
कितना आपका लॉरी यहाँ आया है?
काम आज से शुरू होगा. पहले मार्किंग होगा, उसके बाद फिर स्टार्ट फेंसिंग शुरू करेंगे, पेरिफेरी फेंसिंग, और उसके बाद मेन हैंगर स्ट्रक्चर का काम शुरू होगा. तो हमारा आइडिया है कि मैंने 25th का अंदर पूरा काम कंप्लीट होना चाहिए.
BJP Madgaon says Defence Expo will be temporary one and there will be no aero show during the event. Damunaik slammed the politicians opposing the event.
वो डिफेन्स एक्सपो फक्त 4 दिसां खातीर आसा. हे टेम्पररी आसा. थंय कितें करचें कितें ना करचें हातून भलतेच कोण तरी तातून इंट्रस्ट घेवन ताचो बोवाळ घालतात, हे चुकीचें आसा. एरो शो करतले बी काय नाही.
Orikshit Parjezo Awaz has demanded a written assurance from the government that Expo will be a temporary one. They have even slammed the adjacent panchayats and Comunidad of Betul for supporting the Defence Expo.
जे पळय तो पुतू आनी संजय उलयला तेजे वयर आमी निशेध मारपाक समथिंग इन कॉन्क्रीट इन रायटिंग. सो आमकां डायलॉग केले बरोबर आमी आमगे प्रोटेस्ट फाटी घेवचे ना.
एक्चुअली ही डिफेन्सा पळय आतां जमीन घेयला ती जमीन एक्चुअली किटा कोमुलदार मागीर आयडीसीन एक्वायर केली पूण तेजी रेव्हेन्यू विलेज बेतूल पंचायतीन पडटा.
While GCCI President Nana Bandekar says government should have taken locals into confidence, Defence Expo welcomed as regular event in Goa but not at the existing venue which is an IDC property.
There will be a lot of benefit, a lot of exhibitors will be coming, a lot of business will happen. Goa could be a permanent place but not the same place. Should we shift it to some other? Should be the permanent place, but not because this is the industrial land and IDC requires it back.
You feel that people should have been taken into confidence and all?
Naturally, because it is their place what is happening.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
Thieves struck at Maxon supermarket at Zuari Nagar during the wee hours on Monday. Unknown culprits decamped with cash amounting to 1,20,000 rupees. People claim that there was no power supply during late night on Sunday, and as such, thieves took advantage of darkness and effected entry into the mega store. Sources also say power shutdown was purposeful.
Actually, what we have checked is the locker is gone missing, and someone fiddled with the cameras and the length. The rest we are verifying.
शटर बँड केल्लो आनी पॅक केल्ली एंट्री आनी तेंच्यानी भितर वचून पळयल्यार एक सेफ मेटल सेफ कंटेनिंग कॅश ते अजून व्हेरीफाय जावंक ना तेंचो सो ती मिसींग आसलेली.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.